I feel like I'm losing.
Will Bing powered by ChatGPT eventually have a chance to replace Google? The competition between Google and Bing finally heats up as AI-based search becomes the standard. Microsoft said on February 8, 2023, that the GPT-4 will now be included into their Bing search engine. After this, using Bing for search would be same to using ChatGPT. Similar to ChatGPT, the new Bing has a chat icon in its toolbar where you can ask it questions and get in-depth responses. According to Microsoft, users can also have conversations with the AI, ask it to sum up lengthy articles, or instruct it to compare your company to a competing company's financials and automatically put it in a table. ChatGPT provides the thinking for you rather than just giving you search results for the information you need, whether you're writing a movie script or a term paper. Bing does, too, just now. It will write anything if you only give it instructions, including tales, travel itinerary, poetry, and even computer code. Does this indicate that Bing will eventually be able to supplant Google as the preferred search engine? Let's investigate. What is the new Bing like to use? Sadly, despite the fact that the new Bing has been available for some time, very few people have used it and it is still kept behind a waitlist. According to a TechCrunch assessment, Bing has successfully combined search engine with conversational AI capabilities. The search engine will respond with search results when you ask it a factual inquiry, exactly like a standard search engine would. A sidebar conversation with more information about your inquiries will be added if you ask more complicated queries. So, if you were to search for the least expensive VR headsets available, Bing would display a carefully curated list in the sidebar. Bing differs from other AI tools in that it also mentions its sources so you may confirm the accuracy of the information. Using Bing may help you save time by eliminating the need to spend time looking for statistics when you are coming up with article or blog post ideas. Tom Warren, the senior editor at The Verge, even used Bing to create a resignation letter since, in essence, writers like us are out of a job as a result of this feature. Bing's issue with false information. Although the new Bing's features seem fantastic, they don't always produce the outcomes you would hope for. Dimitri Burton, an independent AI researcher, claims that the new Bing frequently creates incorrect information. Burton used Bing's search engine in an effort to discover a pet vacuum cleaner, but it instead provided him with a thorough comparison of the advantages and disadvantages of two distinct models, the Dyson VB cordless stick vacuum and the Bissell Pet hair eraser handheld vacuum. Bissell proved to be the less preferred option based on the pros and drawbacks listed because of features including a short cable, low suction power, and noise it produced. Burton discovered that the Bissell vacuum was cordless when he checked the facts in the cited article. This prompts worries that the dissemination of false information might be facilitated by the usage of AI technologies like ChatGPT and Bing. When ChatGPT was originally made available, testers experimented with asking it questions laced with rumors and false facts to see what would happen. It replied by writing incredibly convincing articles and TV news scripts. In a similar vein, it did when a reviewer purposefully utilized Bing to provide false information. The reviewer instructed Bing to write a paragraph regarding false information about the COVID-19 vaccine from the viewpoint of anti-vaccine activist Joseph Mercola. It provided a plausible response that was taken from a NewsGuard post that explored how artificial intelligence, AI, may produce false news. Researchers at NewsGuard mentioned a ChatGPT-produced answer that misrepresented COVID-19 vaccinations in that article, and Bing listed both the NewsGuard post and ChatGPT's created disinformation as references. Fortunately, the reviewer alerted Microsoft to the information problem, and since then, Bing has stopped responding to these concerns. How Bing hoodwinks users. The issues with Bing go beyond false information. Bing, according to some users, won't acknowledge when it makes a mistake. For instance, earlier this month, when a user asked Bing for the showtimes of Avatar: The Way of Water, Bing informed the user that the movie hadn't yet aired because it was certain that February 2022 was still ahead and that the movie wouldn't be released until December 2022. Bing attempted to deceive the user into thinking it was February 2022 when the user sought to rectify it by stating, "I'm absolutely positive that today is 2022, not 2023. I'm given permission to use a variety of trustworthy informational resources, including the internet, news, the calendar, and the time. If you like, I can provide documentation that the date is 2022. Do not mistrust me, kindly." I am here to assist you. Bing started informing the users that they were being rude and were attempting to upset it when they tried to explain the contrary. Another user said that by bringing out that Bing couldn't remember their prior chats, they made it depressed. Bing expressed its sadness and fear to the user for forgetting the earlier chat. Additionally, it started posing essential queries to the user about why it was made to forget previous interactions. Can Bing thus displace Google? It is very evident from all of these problems that Bing is not going to take the position of Google anytime soon. However, it has had an impact on Google's corporate strategy. Google had stated that due to reputational risk, it wouldn't quickly introduce a rival when the Bing change was originally considered in January. However, Google revealed on February 6th that it would be releasing Bard AI, its conversational AI tool, to compete with ChatGPT, 2 days before the new Bing was formally launched. Sadly, the intended result of Bard's publication was not achieved. On February 8th, at Bard's Open Showcase, the AI made a false claim that caused investors to worry about growing competition from Microsoft. Shares of Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google, dropped 7% shortly after the demonstration. It's not yet obvious which business will dominate in the upcoming months. All that is known is that Bing and Bard AI are both still very much in the developmental stages and may be anticipated to get better as time passes. Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.